The role of a business analyst has evolved tremendously over the past decade. In 2025, it is no longer confined to gathering requirements and writing documents. Today's business analysts play a strategic role in bridging the gap between the business goals and the technical solutions. They drive database solution, lead digital transformation, and ensure that technology aligns with business strategy. To succeed in this dynamic environment, a business analyst must develop a comprehensive blend of technical expertise, analytical thinking, communication skills, and a business acumen. In this video, I will take you around what skills you should have to become a business analyst. But before we begin, here's a quick information. Before we get started, here's a quick question for you to answer. What best defines a business analyst in 2025? Is it a coder, communicator, strategist, or a bridge? So let's get started. At the core of business analyst roles lies a technical proficiency. Data has become a new decision currency, and its ability to extract, interact, and present insights from a large dataset is indispensable. Proficiency in Microsoft Excel remains vital for quick analysis, pivot tables, and data organization, while structured query language is essential for querying databases and retrieving information effectively. For data visualization, business intelligence tools such as Tableau, Power BI, and QuickSense have become industry standards, helping transform complex data into clear, actionable insights. Additionally, the knowledge of programming languages such as Python and R provides a competitive advantage. Python in particular is widely used for automation, statistical analysis, and predictive modeling, while R supports advanced statistical computations. Some analysts also leverage VBA to automate Excel workflows, saving time and improving accuracy. With the advent of advanced BI platforms like Zoho Analytics, Sisense, IBM Cognos, and Google Data Studio, analysts can now access real-time analytics and predictive insights to guide strategic decisions. Equally important is the ability to document and manage requirements effectively. Tools such as JAMA, Request, Rational Requisites Pro, and OrgNose help track requirements systematically, while Microsoft Visio and wireframing tools enable analysts to visualize workflows and system designs with clarity. However, technical proficiency alone does not define success in this role. Soft skills are equally critical, as business analysts acts as an intermediate between stakeholders and technical teams. Strong communication skills form the backbone of business analysis. Analysts must be able to translate complex technical insights into simple business language for executive and explain business needs in precise technical terms to the developers. Clear writing, confident speaking, and effective presentation abilities allow analysts to communicate their ideas precisely. Active listening is another essential skill, as understanding stakeholder requirements deeply often depend on asking the right question, clarifying assumption, and showing empathy. Moreover, analytical and problem-solving abilities help business analysts uncover root causes of issues, evaluate multiple alternatives, and recommend data-backed solutions aligned with the organizational goals. In an ever-changing business landscapes, adaptability is also vital. Analysts must remain flexible, open to new tools, and ready to learn emerging methodologies to stay ahead. Strong change management skills further enable them to guide teams smoothly through process or technological transitions. In addition to interpersonal and analytical strengths, successful business analysts possess a strong understanding of business processes and industry-specific knowledge. Every industry, whether healthcare, finance, retail, or technology, operates with its own unique workflow, regulations, and challenges. By understanding these, analysts can tailor their solutions effectively to meet industry needs. Tools like business process model and notation help visualize and optimize workflow, enabling analysts to identify inefficiency, bottlenecks, and opportunities for automation. Furthermore, sound financial understanding is essential. The ability to conduct budgeting, cost-benefit analysis, and return on investment assessments allow analysts to justify recommendations in alignment with the organization's strategic and financial objectives. Methodologies and frameworks provide structure to how analysts work. In 2025, Agile has become the dominant methodology across industry. Business analysts working in agile environments must understand frameworks such as Scrum and Kanban, which emphasizes iterative development, sprint planning, and collaborations between cross-functional teams. Additionally, familiarities with process improvements, methodologies like Six Sigma and Lean is highly beneficial. Six Sigma's DMAIC framework, which is define, measure, analyze, improve, and control, helps analysts systematically improve business process and eliminate inefficiencies. Lean principle, on the other hand, focuses on reducing waste and maximizing customer value, ensuring that every recommendation contributes to both operational efficiency and client satisfaction. Education and certification form another cornerstone of a successful business analytics career. While most employers prefer candidates with bachelor's degree in business administration, computer science, information technology, finance, or economics, what truly matters is the strong foundation in analytical thinking and business understanding. Professional certifications further validate an analyst's expertise and enhance employability. Entry-level profession often begins with the entry certificate in business analysis, while those with moderate experience pursue the certificate of capability in business analysis. For seasoned professionals, the Certified Business Analysis Professional credential demonstrate advanced expertise. Specialized certifications such as Agile Analysis Certificate focus on agile practices, while the certification in Business Data Analytics caters to analysts working with data-driven roles. These credentials not only improve career prospects but also significantly boost earning potential. The demand for skilled business analysts contribute to rise across the globe. According to US Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of business analysts is projected to grow by 11% through 2032. Much faster than the average for other occupations. In the United States, the average annual salary of a business analyst is approximately around $1,09,000, while in India, professionals typically earn between 9 to 10 lakhs per year, with experienced analysts and certified professionals earning up to 30 lakhs or more. Compensation tends to increase with specialized expertise in domains such as artificial intelligence, data analytics, and automation, reflecting the growing importance of these skills in shaping business strategies. Looking ahead, the future of business analysts is deeply intertwined with technology advancement. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing how analysts work by enabling automation, predictive analytics, and smarter decision making. With the rise of data-driven organization, understanding data privacy and cybersecurity has also become crucial, especially as global regulations like GDPR and CCPA impose stricter compliance standards. Moreover, business analysts are increasingly leading digital transformations initiatives, helping organizations adopt new technology, manage change effectively, and align innovation with long-term business goals. In conclusion, becoming a successful business analyst in 2025 requires much more than technical knowledge. In demand a balance of analytical reasoning, effective communication, domain expertise, and adaptability. This profession offers immense opportunities for growth, innovation, impact, especially for those evolving with technological trends. Business analyst today is not just a job, it is a strategic role that shapes how organizations think, operate, and transform in a digital-first world. For aspiring professionals, the journey towards becoming an accomplished business analyst begins with curiosity, continuous learning, and a passion for bridging business and technology. If you like this video, do hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and keep learning with Simplilearn. Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to Simplilearn's YouTube channel and click here for similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, you can check the description box below.